Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Yes, sir. A very good morning to you all. A very good morning to you all. Wa alaikum assalam. Abdullah, how are you? Abdullah, how are you? Muzakkirul, how are you? Muzakkirul, how are you, Baba? How are you, everybody? A very good morning to you all. Thank you very much. A big thanks to you that you have come to the class very timely and wearing school uniform. Wait a bit, somebody is waiting in waiting room. Let me admit them. Okay, Abrar Fahim, how are you? Okay, Abdullah and Abrar Fahim and all my dear students, listen to me. It was supposed to read out that from chapter 10, from chapter 11 and from chapter 12. I will take oral test, I told you. But I have made up my mind that I should give you another 1 or 2 days. I should give you to revise well. Then I will take oral test. After then I will take written test. So today I would like to discuss broad question, because broad question is very important for you and for us. Okay, now from chapter 10, democracy. So what is called democracy, or what is democratic attitude? What is called democracy, or what is democratic attitude? Listen to me very properly by paying full attention. Democracy means, easily, what is written in the text. Democracy means rule by the people. Democratic attitude means taking a decision on the basis of the opinions of the majority people. Majority. Again, let me say, democracy means rule by the people. Democracy means, the word democracy means rule by the people. Am I right? Have you been understand? It is not written in your book. Okay, just it is written, but not in such a way. Democracy means rule by the people. A democratic attitude means taking a decision on the basis of the opinion of the majority. Clear? Clear, dear students? Adrika, clear? Rupu, clear? Okay. I need your response. But one of the famous decision, one of the famous definition given by Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the USA. The 16th president of the USA. He defined what is democracy. Democracy is defined by Abraham Lincoln that democracy is the government of the people, for the people, by the people. Am I right? Huh? Democracy is of the people, for the people, and by the people. So it is need not to write. It is difficult for you as you are the student of class 5. It is not given in our text, but it is better to know. Clear this one? Democracy means rule by the people. But if you can write this one, okay, fine. Excellent. It will be more excellent. Definition by Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the USA. That is, democracy means the government ruled by the people, for the people, and of the people. Clear this one? So now listen to me, need not to this one. And if you would like to write in a simple way, democracy means by the people, and democratic attitude means taking a decision on the basis of the opinions of majority. Now listen to me. The ways, the method, the process that we will show democratic attitude at the time of selection or election class captain. Again, let me say, the ways we will show democratic attitude in class captain election. The ways, the system will show democratic attitude in captain election in your school. Number 1, right? 5, right? Democratic attitude in your class captain, write in 4 sentences or 5 sentences. Again question, how will you show democratic attitude in your class captain election? How you will show democratic attitude at the time of your class captain election? Write in 4 sentences. If you can write 4 sentences about this, your broad question answer is prepared. So now come to the point, answer. 4 sentences about democratic attitude. Number 1, we will arrange an election. We will arrange an election. Number 2, we will vote for our desired candidates. Number 1, we will arrange an election. We will arrange an election cabinet. We will vote for our desired candidates, our expected candidates. We will show respect to others' decision. Another meanings of democracy, to show respect others' opinions. Number 4, we will accept the elected captain though she is not our desired candidate. Suppose you have cast vote to whom he is not selected or elected. Although we need to show respect him or her. Am I clear? Now write down the question. Everybody take pen and copy. Write down the question, broad question, BQ, broad question. What is called democracy? Write down please, yes. Broad question, together write down. What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. Chapter 10. Yes, chapter 10. Okay, Baba Shahryar, welcome back. Shahryar Jaman, welcome back. Yesterday you were absent in the class. Okay, now write down dictation. Write down the question. What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. Abdullah, it seems to me that one of the fly is disturbing you and me. Okay. Did you write? What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. Mehzabin, did you? Mehzabin has gone to bring pen. Thank you very much for keeping on your camera. Yes. Oh, no, question is finished. Now write down. How will you show democratic attitude in your class captain? How will you show democratic attitude in your class captain election? Question mark. Mehjabin, no problem. Again, I have been telling. What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. How will you show democratic attitude in your class captain election? Question mark. Again, let me say again. What is called democracy and democratic attitude? What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. How will you show democratic attitude in your class captain election? Write 4 sentences. Full stop. Write 4 sentences. Okay? Write 4 sentences. Again, this is the one broad question. What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. How will you show democratic attitude in your class captain elections? Question mark. How will you show democratic attitude in your class captain election? Question mark. Write 4 sentences. Yes, write 4 sentences. This is the broad question. Broad question gulo in such a way. Broad question or questions are appeared in such a way. You know this one. You have a guide, you have a exercise book. See there. ব্রড কোশ্চেনগুলো এবার জোড়া দিয়ে থাকে, কম্বিনেশন হিসেবে থাকে। আসলে শর্ট কোশ্চেনগুলোই 2-3টে একসাথে থাকে। ওকে নাও রাইট ডাউন class of copy. I need not to send it to me, but at any time you have to show me. Yes, question please. Have you got any question? Anyone? Mujahid, how will you show democratic attitude in your class captain election? Question mark. Write in 4 sentences. Or write 4 sentences. Write in 4 sentences or write 4 sentences. Clear? Am I right? Okay, write down. Democratic attitude যেটা বলে আমরা attitude in your class captain election. হ্যাঁ, আরেকবার বলবো? ওকে, কোথা থেকে? What is called democracy and democratic attitude? What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. How will you show democratic attitude in your class captain election? Write 4 sentences. তাহলে এইটা ব্রড কোশ্চেন হয়ে গেল। আচ্ছা, 4টা সেন্টেন্স লিখলে 4 মার্ক। আর হোয়াট ইজ ডেমোক্রেসি 1 মার্ক, হোয়াট ইজ ডেমোক্রেটিক অ্যাটিটিউড 1 মার্ক, আর 4 সেন্টেন্সে 4 মার্ক, এগুলো 6 মার্ক। ব্রড কোশ্চেনে 6 মার্কস থাকে। What is democracy 1 mark? What is democratic attitude 1 mark? Write 4 sentences about how you will show democratic attitude. 4 sentences, 4 marks. Achha, now let me say one more. Just listen me very clearly. One more, I would like to say the answer. Listen to me properly and write down. Again, answer. Complete answer. Democracy means rule by the people, and democratic attitude means taking a decision on the basis of opinions of the majority. দ্য ওয়েস আনসার হয়ে গেল দুটা, 2 মার্ক পেয়ে গেলে এইটুকু লিখলে 2 মার্ক হয়ে যাবে। এগেইন ডেমোক্রেসি মিনস রোল বাই দ্য পিপল। হ্যাঁ বলো বাবা, সে কোশ্চেন বলো। সেই কোশ্চেনটা আমি ওইটা তো আমি করিনি, ওই কোশ্চেনটা এখানে করা হয়নি। বলা হচ্ছে হোয়াট ইজ কল্ড ডেমোক্রেসি আর হোয়াট ইজ ডেমোক্রেটিক অ্যাটিটিউড। আমি ভ্যালুসটা করিনি, করলে তখন তোমাকে বলতে হবে ওইটা ভ্যালুস হতে পারে ডেমোক্রেটিক অ্যাটিটিউডটা, ওটা যাওয়ার দরকার নেই তোমার। হ্যাঁ, শুধু তুমি লেখো হোয়াট ইজ ডেমোক্রেসি আর হোয়াট ইজ ডেমোক্রেটিক অ্যাটিটিউড, দুটো কোশ্চেন 2 লাইন 2 মার্ক। ক্লিয়ার? নাও the ways, the system we will show democratic attitude in class captain election are as follows. লিখতেও পারো নাও পারো, শুধু লিখবে যে the 5 ways to show democratic attitude. Number 1, we will arrange an election. Number 1, we will arrange an election. Number 2, we will vote for our desired candidate or expected candidate, প্রত্যাশিত প্রার্থী। We will show respect to others' decision. We will show respect to others' decision. We will accept the elected captain, though she is not our desired candidate. আমরা যাকে ভোট দেয়নি সেও যদি ক্যাপ্টেন হয়ে যায় তাকে আমরা সম্মান করব অথবা ওবেইট বাই মান্য করব। ক্লিয়ার? ডিজায়ার্ড DESIRED ডিজায়ার্ড ক্যান্ডিডেট, এক্সপেক্টেড ক্যান্ডিডেট লিখতে পারো, এক্সপেক্টেড ক্যান্ডিডেট। মানে আমরা, তুমি হয়তো আবদুল্লাহকে ভোট দিতে চেয়েছিলে, ভোট দিয়েছো, আবদুল্লাহ ক্যাপ্টেনের জন্য দাঁড়িয়েছে, আবার আবরারও ক্যাপ্টেনের জন্য নমিনেশন পাইছে। হ্যাঁ, তো তুমি আবদুল্লাহকে ভোট দিয়েছো কিন্তু আবরার ইলেকশনে জিতে গেছে, কিন্তু তোমার উচিত দুজনকেই সমান সম্মান দেখানো। তুমি ভোট দাওনি আবদুল্লাহকে, তবুও তোমাকে সম্মান দিতে হবে। আমি তোমাদের ক্লাসে একটা মহড়া ভোট করেছিলাম না, আমি এক মহড়া ভোট ক্যাপ্টেন করার জন্য একটা রিহার্সাল ভোট করেছিলাম না আমরা। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, এখন কথা নেই, এখন লেখো। মাই ডিউটি ইজ ওভার, রাইট ডাউন প্লিজ। হ্যাঁ, নাও স্টার্ট টু রাইট। এখন থেকে ব্রড কোশ্চেন পড়াবো। ওকে, রাইট ডাউন প্লিজ, স্টার্ট। হ্যাঁ, এই ও তুমি মাত্র এসছো? আচ্ছা তাহলে তোমাকে কোশ্চেনটা বলি আমি, লেখো। তোমরা শুরু করে দাও, সবাই তোমরা লেখো, আমি শুধু আবরারের জন্য এক্সপ্লেন করবো এখন। আবরার, লিসেন টু মি। What is called democracy and democratic attitude? What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. How did you write? Can I say rapidly? No, slowly. Yes, Baba. Abdullah. What is called democracy and democratic attitude? Question mark. Did you finish? Did you finish? Abrar Kibriya, did you finish? Right. What is called democracy and what is democratic attitude? ATTITUDE. And what is democratic attitude? Clear? Question mark. Clear? এখন write down. Another, write down. Write 4 sentences. Write 4 sentences. Write 4, yes, together at a time. Write 4 sentences about democratic attitudes. Write 4 sentences about democratic attitudes. At that time, write 4 sentences write 4 sentences about democratic attitude in your class captain election. আপনারা লিখেছো, লিখতে পেরেছো, বুঝতে পেরেছো কিছুটা? Did you write? Abrar Kibriya, it's clear to you. Okay, write down. Abrar Kibriya. No, still no. Yes, most probably have gone. Okay, write down. You should continue writing. Ayman Mustafa, Maisha, Afrin Islam, Shahran. Okay. Write down, Baba. Mind your own business. Let me do a roll call. Okay. Maisha, hello, Maisha. Maisha Ahmed, Maisha. Okay, write down. Yes. How will you show democratic attitude in your class captain election? তোমাদের ক্লাসে ক্যাপ্টেন নির্বাচন করছো সেই সময় কিভাবে